Germany was wanting to form Weimar Republic on the pattern of Bolshevik group in Russia. So they were encouraging the young generation to be more aggressive, to be more physically strong or masculine, so that they could counter their uh, opposition, they could counter their rivals, because they were inculcating that idea of revenge against the Allied Party during the Treaty of Versailles. So this was their uh, mental thinking or setup to take revenge against the Allied Party. So on the basis of these concepts, that means to be aggressive, to strong, or to ready to counter your rival, masculine people should join the Weimar Republic simultaneously in army. These were their concept. On the basis of this concept, Weimar Republic, it settled, it formed in Wittstadt in Germany, and at the same time, USA also, it was going through a very bad phase or worse condition in USA. Economic loss, loss of manpower, the same condition, loss of job, the peasants' condition also simultaneously the same in Europe and in USA. And most of the European countries became debtors. They could not repay the loan to USA or other countries they already took from the moneylender, that means the country moneylender. Countries became the moneylenders during World War. So they could not repay. So more if they would demand, the moneylenders, they were not going to pay them any loan. So as consequence, peasants, they had to face an intense problem, and they were the most sufferers in Europe during post-World War, because all the lands, that means the farming lands, those became infertile, those became exhausted and spoiled due to the bombasting in the First World War. So peasants had no money to maintain or to reform the land or to buy the seeds for the grains and pulses. So politically, psychologically, economically, these countries, European countries and USA, the condition of USA became worse, and USA, most of the factories shut down, unemployment and joblessness or jobless people, they were wandering here and there like vagabonds. As consequence, especially in USA, because as consequence means, what is the consequence? Consequence of unemployment, consequence of jobless state, the young generations, they adopted the path of crime. They started looting, they started robbery, they started killing people for money. So entire American society, it was spoilt. Entire American society was facing or passing through an intense crisis, psychological and economical. It was badly affected, and simultaneously the European countries also. Trade and commerce, those were invalid, because as the impact of war, there was crisis, economic crisis, so who would continue trade and commerce? All these countries, they were involved in war. So the post-war situation hit the entire world, especially Europe and USA, the post-war situation, political, economic and social crisis. So in Germany, when Weimar Republic formed, so Germany wanted to establish its nation on the basis of democracy, so that people, they would be also satisfied, and Germany, the leaders of Germany, they could rule the country in a systematic manner or in the pattern of democracy. But it did not happen actually. Some difference of opinion started, some radical groups, they emerged, and they also demanded, or they also placed their demand, their thinking, their thoughts. Radicals, who were the radicals? Those were the supporters, that means socialism, socialists, the Catholics, the Democrats. So they raised their voices against the Weimar Republic and its objects of republic. But anyhow, Weimar Republic, they crushed their opinions, they suppressed them, and Weimar Republic formed, and the birth of Weimar Republic took place. But later on it was visible that Germans, they were not at all satisfied with the republic, because there were some drawbacks or flaws when it was formed or it was drafted. Many loopholes or drawbacks were visible. Gradually those were coming out. So the common man, that means the Germans, they started realizing that it is a failure, and people inside the constitution, that means Reichstag, they started fighting among themselves, and difference of opinions occurred. So common men, they were losing their trust and faith on that republic, Weimar Republic. So guys, today up to here, this is only a portion of this chapter. This is the beginning of this chapter. I have described, I have narrated before you. So on the basis of this chapter, or on the basis of today's lecture, your notebook, it is already open before you. You please note down 5 questions. Question number 1. Depict 3 effects of Great Depression. Depict 3 effects of Great Depression. Question 2. Why most of the European countries became debtors? DEBTERS. Why most of the European countries became debtors after the First World War? 3. Approximately how many people died in Germany during war? How many people died in Germany during war? Question 4. What kind of bad phase, PHAC, what kind of bad phase USA had to face during 1929 to 1932? Just now I have described before you the condition of USA, the political, the social, the economic, and the impact of the war. What kind of bad phase USA had to face during 1929 to 1932? Question 5. What is political radicalism? What is political radicalism? That also right now I have described, or I have taught you. Political radicalism, that Weimar Republic, the leaders of the contemporary Germany, they motivated and inspired the youths to be more aggressive and filled with courage, filled with strength, and they had to build their body quite strong, that means masculine, and they had to face, that means they had to get themselves prepared to face any kind of obstacle with full force or with full radical temperament. You know the meaning of radical, with full radical temperament. So this is the term that what is political radicalism. So guys, this much for the day. You will go through the chapter. If you have books, I hope that most of you have books now. So this chapter, the heading of this chapter is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler, chapter number 3 in your NCERT history book. You read this, and on the basis of my lecture, you will answer these 5 questions. And next, in my next lecture, I will continue this history itself. So till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, God bless you, bye-bye.